Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bench vises that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Eclipse Professional Tools Quick Release Vise. With a spring-loaded, quick release feature, the Eclipse bench vise is known for its smooth mechanism that moves the jaws quickly to either anchor work or release it. The Eclipse is designed with a toe-in, meaning the top edge of the sliding jaw tilts slightly forward to avoid top-to-bottom racking. A favorite vise of professional toolmaker, Chris Black, he notes, the vise jaws toe in markedly at the top, guaranteeing positive hold no matter how forcefully the screw is tightened. This vise is also known for its ease of use and features a built-in dog that extends when needed. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yost Vises 445 Combination Vise. The best budget vise we found is the Yost Vises 445 Bench Vise, featuring a 360-degree swivel base so you can work in any direction you find comfortable. Its clamp pressure securely holds down your workpiece. Made from high-quality cast iron and machined steel, this vise features a pipe and bench combination design, letting you use it in various ways to hold items of different materials. The bench vise comes in an array of sizes from 4.5 inches up to 8 inches, making it easy to secure workpieces of most sizes. The smallest one has a jaw opening of 4 inches and a jaw width of 4.5 inches. This Yost model is the best value with its swivel base, clamping force and versatility to work with pipes and wood. At number 3, we have the Yost 750D Series Vise System. Many vises are made of standard cast iron that can be brittle and have zero flex potential. On the other hand, the Yost 750D Series is made of ductile iron, which is much more flexible and can withstand higher loads without breaking. A unique feature is the multiple jaws, an integrated pipe jaw, V-shaped jaw and 5-inch wide main jaws. The 360-degree swivel base is ideal for oddball pieces or to get a better angle. The vise can be made portable with a simple DIY. Mount it to a stout board and clamp it to your bench when needed. At number 2, we have the Irwin Woodworking Vise. The Irwin Woodworking Vise is best for light DIY needs and is priced for the beginner, which is ideal for the novice woodworker and professional who just needs an extra vise for smaller jobs. The clamp holds well and sits flush with the front of the workbench. Plus, its compact size fits in any workshop. The 4.5-inch jaw capacity is helpful for light to medium workloads, but not the best for heavy-duty projects. Keep in mind that you'll need to supply your own mounting screws and 2 pieces of wood between the vise and the workpiece. And finally at number 1, we have the Groz Quick Release Vise. Workshop warriors, look no further than the Groz vise that moves smoothly with a quick release mechanism for easy operation. A single press of the trigger initiates the front jaw to slide freely, so you can quickly position your piece with one hand while tightening the vise with the other. The movable jaw slightly tilts inward for excellent vertical alignment, and the chrome-plated twin guide bars prevent racking. Screw holes on the jaws make for simple attachment of wood jaw liners to prevent marring of softer woods. To top it off, this vise has a jaw width of 10.5 inches and an opening capacity of 15 inches.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.